So in this video, I'm going to show how to design the checkout page from something like this to something like this. So normally the checkout page would look like this, the usual WooCommerce checkout page. It's not looking nice. So I'm going to teach you today how to make it beautiful like this. So you got some designs, you can add up some logos, and you can add up some buttons. All right, let us start. Hello everybody, welcome to digitalrakshit.com. So today we're going to talk about a checkout page. In the previous session I had told you how to remove unwanted details from checkout page. Basically this WooCommerce default checkout page looks like this. It's looking ugly, it's not nice, and it has got a lot of extra options like first name, last name, country, address 1, address 2, city, everything. So when you are selling a digital product, you don't need all these things. So I have already told you in the previous video how to eliminate all these unwanted details through PHP code. I have given even PHP code as well. But today I'm going to teach you something different. So after applying that PHP code, this particular checkout page looks like this. All right. So here you can see it's asking only first name, phone number and email address. This is looking better than this because when you are, suppose I am selling the digital product, so I don't need the address and zip code of my customers, my students. So I ask them only first name, phone number and email IDs. So this is looking better. And I've already told you how to add up all these things using Elementor. But today I'm going to teach you how to decorate this portion. So basically this portion cannot be decorated by Elementor because it's out of Elementor control, and this is not looking so nice. So what I'll do is I'll just go to dashboard, and to make this look more better, the checkout page look more better, you need to install the plugin called Cartflow. All right, just go to plugins, add new, and search for Cartflow. So just type here cart space flow. So just install this plugin Cartflow. After installing, just activate it. Alright, once you install the Cartflow, you'll be finding the Cartflow option in your dashboard. Just go to Cartflow option. There are 3 options inside: home, flow and settings. So first let us go to flow. Let us go to flow, and here there are no flows right now. You just have to go to add new. When you go to add new, it's going to show you some ready-made templates here. So these all are pro templates. You need to pay the money for this. Whatever is there with the pro tag, those are pro templates. But there are some free templates as well. You have this one, and what I like the most here is this one. So sorry, not this one, this one. So both are almost same. This has got 3 steps and this has got 2 steps. So let us discuss about those steps later. So I'm going to install this one now, import it. Once you import that, you're going to find 2 options like this. That is what I told you. This is 2 steps template. In that 3 steps template, you're going to find even a landing page as well. Anyway, we are concentrating on checkout page now. Even thank you page is coming over here. So thank you page is nothing but once the checkout process is done, once the payment is done, then customer automatically will be routed to thank you page. This is also very important option. Usually in WooCommerce, there's no thank you page. It will go to endpoints and show some downloads to the digital products customers. So now what I'm going to do here is you can just give some name here, or you can just directly go for checkout page, and you need to go for edit. But before going to edit, you have to do some settings here. Once you do this, you have to go to settings, and you have to apply this Cartflow checkout page as a global checkout page. So you need to check out here, select this. This is a Cartflow checkout page, and that is going to be your global checkout page. That means by default, the customer will be routed to this particular checkout page what we are designing now. So after doing these settings, just go to Save Changes. And here again, go back to flows. So already we have imported one template. That's we didn't give any title, so it's just giving a no title. Just go for that, and we are going to get these two pages here: checkout page and thank you page. Let us go for first checkout page. In the checkout page, go to edit. So it is supported by Elementor theme. You can edit with Elementor, but before editing, just come down and see there are a couple of options to be included. So shortcode, first you have to copy the shortcode. This is a shortcode for Cartflow checkout page. So wherever you put this shortcode, checkout page will be coming over there. And then you have a select product. You can select a product here. Suppose, for example, I want this checkout page only for some particular product. Then you can name the products here. For example, I'll just name web. So I have so many products starting from web designing course, online web, WordPress course. So you can select one of these products. That means this checkout page will be enabled only for these products. That means whoever is purchasing this particular product, that is WordPress course, will be routed to this checkout page, and whoever is purchasing other products will be routed to normal default checkout page. So I don't want this to happen. I want this checkout page to be applied for all the products. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click this small into mark. So when you leave this blank, that means this checkout page will be applied for by default all the pages. And then you can go for product options, and this is not available for free version. You have to go for Cartflow Pro. Anyway, it's not required for us. Let us go for checkout design, because even these two are for Pro version. So checkout design, you can change the color of your button, and you can select whether it is a two column or one column checkout page you want. By default, it is 2 column. For 1 column, again, you need to go for Pro version. And then some extra available options are here. You can change the heading color, you can change the input fields, that is text box colors, you can change the style, and you can change the font family, that's a font style. You can change the size of the text box, you can make it bigger text boxes also. And all these options, even WooCommerce plugin will not give you all these options, right? By default, whatever checkout page is there, it's a very ugly looking checkout page. You need to go with this. But by installing this Cartflow, you have all these options. You can even change the background color for the text box. You can change the border color for the text box, label, everything you're going to change here. So I'm not going to change anything as if now. Even for button also, you can make it text color. You can change hover color, background hover, all these colors you can change it. I'm not going to change it right now. I'm just right away going to edit with Elementor. Alright, when you go to edit with Elementor, you're going to get a normal Elementor page where you can alter everything. I hope you know already the Elementor. You can just click on this and change the image. This is an image, default image coming from theme. You can change it from your own themes, your own images. So what I'm going to do now is I'm not going to change all these things because already you know how to change it. You can change the heading. Suppose I'm just going to change the heading as that's the heading. And call to action button, you can give some link here for call to action button. You can change the button to success or default, anything. And you can increase the size of the button, extra large or medium. So all these default options, you can do it. And here, where is the checkout page? Basically, checkout would have come down. So this is our checkout page. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this, and that's the Cartflow checkout. What we wanted to copy, already have copied. So let me just remove this. I don't want this checkout page here. I want checkout page in this position. So here, I don't want these features. I'm going to remove all these features. So just click on remove it. Sorry, everything got removed. So I'm going to remove this. Perfect. So in this place, I want the checkout. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going for shortcode. I'll take a shortcode and paste it here. So just paste the shortcode what we copied. That's a Cartflow _checkout. Apply. And here is your checkout page. So basically this checkout page doesn't look like this. In Elementor it is looking like this. It's a 2-column what we selected, so it's going to come in 2-column. So let us go practically to website and refresh this checkout page and see how it's going to come. Perfect. So it is giving me a beautiful checkout page with the checkout details here. And the coupon code, if you observe, the coupon code was there at the top. Now the coupon code is little down. So this makes sense. After reviewing the products, customer will enter the coupon code and apply. If any coupon code is there, then he's going to go for place order. But there's no place here. It's not looking nice. There's no padding. So let us set some padding here. So for padding, I'm just going to select this particular item, go for advanced, and I'm going to go for padding. You can see here there's a padding coming. You can see here this is a padding. So I'm just increasing the padding to say 40, update it, and go back to your checkout page and then just refresh it. This is a beautiful checkout page, isn't it? So to reduce this height, it's a lot of height. To reduce this height, you need to come to layout and just reduce the height over here. You can adjust the height. So in case if height is not getting adjusted, you have to go to advanced, and padding should be 0. When you have a padding of 150, for example, top and bottom 150, 150, even if you are reducing the height here, it's not going to reduce, right? It's not going to reduce. So what we can do, just make the padding as 0 or something like 10 and 10. So that height would be reduced to your desired level. Then once the height is reduced, then you can increase the height based on your requirements. So just go to update, go back and just refresh this page. Perfect. The height is reduced and you're going to get the beautiful checkout page over here. So thank you very much for watching, and click on the subscribe button to get my future videos, and click on the bell icon to get the updates. Hi, if you like my video, please click on the subscribe button so that my future video updates you get, and please click on the like button if you like my video. So thank you very much.